I'd just like to say that this parking lot fucking sucks. There's a guy over there that's stuck. I'm not gonna help him, but that's me, and oh, I can't even see it, in my little toy car. What the hell does he think he's gonna accomplish with that? Why didn't he park over here where it's all nice? Do I help him with that? Should I help him? Well, he could just go in reverse. This parking lot fucking sucks. I can't even understand it. Hey, were you looking for a parking spot? There's one right here. Oh, there's another parking spot. If you want to park there, go ahead. It'll be fine. Just drive on in there. Jesus. $12,000 a year for this. Well, there's a brave soul. There's a car underneath there. Underneath that. Yep. Look at that.